Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 9. The title, Ra. Ra. There will be a full section later on in the course about the pronunciation of the letter Ra, as to when to pronounce it heavy or when to pronounce it light. There are different cases that's going to be explained. For the time being, all that you need to know is that when there's a fatha on top of the letter Ra, it has to be pronounced heavy. Like we have here, we have the letter Ra with a fatha on top, so we pronounce it heavy. So we say Ra, Ra. Common mistake is to say Ra, Ra. That is wrong. The correct pronunciation, remember, is to say Ra, Ra, Ra. First line, Tha, Ba, Ra. Tha, Ba, Ra. A, Ra, Ba. A, Ra, Ba. Ra, Da, Ba. Ra, Da, Ba. Second line, Tha, Tha, Ra. Tha, Tha, Ra. Tha, Tha, Ha. Tha, Tha, Ha. Kha, Ra, Ja. Notice the similarity between the Kha and the Ra in terms of the heaviness. Kha, Ra, Ja. Third line, Ha, Ra, Ba. Ha, Ra, Ba. Ta, Ra, Tha. Ta, Ra, Tha. Ba, Tha. Ra, Ba, Tha, Ra. Fourth line, Tha, Tha, Tha. Tha, Tha, Tha. Kha, Da, Ra. Kha, Da, Ra. Ba, Ha, Ra. Ba, Ha, Ra. Fifth line, Da, Ra. Ja. Da, Ra, Ja. Tha, Ra, Ja. Tha, Ra, Ja. Ja, Ra, Ha. Ja, Ra, Ha. And now we read the letters so that we learned so far in alphabetical order. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Tha, Ra. Remember, the letter Kha is a heavy letter. Ra, because it has fatha on top, we read it heavy. The rest are all light. Again, A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Tha, Ra. Fast. A, ba, ta, fa, ja, ha, kha, da, tha, ra.